हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू द लाइफ ऑफ मेग सो आज वुमेंस डे है सो हैप्पी वुमेंस डे टू एवरी सिंगल वुमन आउट देयर मे यू ग्लूम मे यू ब्लूम एंड सेलिब्रेट योर सेल्फ एवरी सिंगल डे। आज हम हमारी घर की जितनी भी फीमेल्स हैं हम उनसे कुछ बात करने वाले लाइक आई हैव प्रिपेयर सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर देम एंड मैं ऐसी रैंडमली उनसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी। सो मेरी मासी, मेरी मॉम, माई सिस्टर्स, माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, इनके साथ हम थोड़ी बातें करेंगे। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। सो अभी मैं जिसको बुलाने जा रही हूँ वो है मेरी मम्मी। मॉम, हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे।
हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे।
ओके, सो अभी मैं आपसे सवाल करने वाली हूँ
पूछिए।
जिसका आपको मुझे जवाब देना होगा, ठीक है?
Okay.
तो मुझे ये बताओ कि आज के गर्ल्स को आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे?
मैं आज की गर्ल्स के लिए बोलूंगी कि वो वर्ल्ड घूमे, अपना करियर बनाए और एक अच्छा सा लड़का देख के वो अपना घर बसाए।
पंडित को बुला ले, मैं शादी करेगा।
बॉटम लाइन, अच्छा सा लड़का देख के अपना घर बसा। सो अभी मुझे आपको अगला सवाल ये पूछना है कि अगर आपको किसी को थैंक यू बोलना, मतलब कोई वुमेन को थैंक यू बोलना है तो आप किसको बोलोगे?
मैं मेरी बेटी को बोलूंगी।
What?
क्योंकि वो मेरे लिए बहुत खास है, वो बहुत स्ट्रांग है, क्योंकि वो छोटी सी उम्र में ही इतनी स्ट्रांग है जितनी मैं भी नहीं हूँ। तो मैं भगवान से बहुत बहुत थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगी कि मेरे लिए मेरी बेटी बहुत बहुत खास है।
So next up we have is my chachi, whose throat is not very good today, so she will not be interviewing. Can you?
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day. Is the younger one. Her name is Aisha. Can you come?
Yo.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Okay, so let's begin. I have prepared some questions and
Yes.
they know already. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask.
I don't know the questions.
No, but you know I'm gonna ask the question.
Yeah.
So let's go. Okay, so the question I'm gonna ask you is, how are you celebrating Women's Day today?
By being at home. क्योंकि आज मैच है इंडिया का, so let's see Women's Day कैसा जाता है।
हमारा
तो India-
Women's Day
डिसाइड करेंगे
इंडिया
11 बजे।
इंडिया के जीतने पे डिसाइड होता है हम
Exactly.
रोने वाले या मरीन ड्राइव पे घूमने
Exactly.
वाले। नेक्स्ट वुड बी, what is one thing society should change for women, as you are the younger one?
I guess responsibility, मतलब comparatively men के comparatively to men जो responsibilities होती है,
मतलब जो
You know,
ease
जो
men के
women-
लिए है women
Exactly,
के लिए नहीं
exactly.
है।
Yeah.
Correct. What message would you like to give to women on Women's Day?
Happy Women's Day.
That is a wish, not a message.
Okay. So I just want each and every woman to stay strong and लड़कों को टक्कर देने वाली ऐसा वो जज्बा रहना चाहिए। And
शक्कर को टक्कर यूं ही।
yes,
अच्छा।
and yes.
And भी है।
Never let yourself down.
Never let yourself down. Most
Yes.
important.
Exactly.
You are you. One word that describes women. I'm gonna ask everyone this.
One word that describes women. I guess powerful. Women are powerful.
Women are divine.
Exactly.
Powerful, yes. बता दे. Okay, so that's it from her end, and now we're gonna go on to the next one. Now we're gonna dial Amisha. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Happy Women's Day. She's here, guys.
Thanks.
Can you wish me also?
Thanks. Happy Women's Day.
Thank you. So yeah. So basically, since today is Women's Day, I've prepared few questions, and I'm gonna ask you. So you have to answer virtually to me. Okay?
Okay, I'll think about it.
Are you ready? So my first question would be, who is the most inspiring woman in your life?
I think everyone.
My God!
What? Can you be specific?
Can you exaggerate? Okay, I'd say my mom, because I've
seen her go through a lot and I've seen her work and I've seen her help
That would take quite a while.
In some or the other way.
Yeah. And so the next question would be one word that describes women.
ऐसा लग रहा है आप मेरा इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो. क्या बोले? Can you go with the question again, please?
Yeah. One word that describes women.
It's very hard to choose one particular word, but I'd say beautiful
Nice.
from inside and outside,
Outside.
not only by the looks, but inside as well.
Yes, yes. And the next would be.
बहुत generic बोला मैंने, but it's okay.
हाँ, कोई नहीं. If women ruled the world, what would be different?
I think they are already ruling the world. But the question should rather be if men would rule the world, how different it would be. It would be a mess. This world would be a mess if they
Oh my
But-
god. Men would be offended now.
No, but like...
It is
jokes
what
apart,
it is.
It is what it is, yeah. अपने घर के भाइयों को देखते हो, like
अरे-
brothers को देखते हो, they can't do anything without their moms.
Yeah, correct.
And not only mothers, like any relationship, be it sister, be it wife, be it any relationship, men cannot do without women. And vice versa, but men's के लिए अलग दिन है appreciation के लिए, but I won't get into that.
Yes. Who run the world?
Me,
Girls!
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't expect one normal answer from you.
women.
Yes.
Cheers.
And if you could thank one woman today, who would it be? Me?
Myself.
Aisha?
I would thank myself. I
Okay.
would thank myself to be so strong.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
Okay, that's it from your end, Amisha. Thank you so much. Happy Women's Day. Got it! Let's move on to another women in our family and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Okay.
आज तक
Okay, so अभी मैं जिसे फ्रेम में बुलाने जा रही हूँ वो है मेरी मासी. So मासी, Happy Women's Day.
हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे.
ओके सो वुमेन्स डे पे मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ और वो ये है कि अगर आपको आज की जनरेशन की लड़कियों को एडवाइस अगर देना है तो आप क्या एडवाइस देंगे?
खुश रहिए, एक्सरसाइज करिए, अपनी सेहत पे ध्यान रखिए.
ओके नाइस वन. सो दूसरा सवाल मेरा आपसे ये है कि वुमेन को एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब करिए.
वुमेन्स को स्ट्रांग रहना चाहिए और जो एक मेंस कर सकते हैं वो सारी औरतें भी कर सकती हैं.
Yeah, which means she is saying कि women को एक वर्ड में अगर डिस्क्राइब करना है तो वो है strong, because all women are strong. Thank you. So now in frame we have is our elder sister. Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
So since it's Women's Day, I would like to ask you few questions, and the first one would be, what is one thing society should change for women?
Adjust करो. Society should stop saying to the ladies कि adjust करना सीखो.
मत करो adjust. Boys, you adjust. Okay, nice. So the next question I would like to ask you would be, if women ruled the world, what would be different?
I think workplace will be more flexible and family friendly and mental stress को ज़्यादा attention दिया जाएगा.
Yes, mental health is a big thing. Okay, so one last question I would like to ask you is, मैंने बाकियों से तो पूछा describe women in one word, but I'd like to ask you describe women in few words.
Resilient, strong, creative.
That's a nice one. And with that, let's move on to next. Now we have is our दादी और वो हम सबको विश करना चाहते हैं. हैप्पी महिला दिवस. ठीक है, अभी आपको आजकल की लड़कियों को क्या एडवाइस देना है?
आप आजकल की लड़की है बहुत आगे निकल जाता है, बहुत आगे कुछ कर दे.
हाँ,
लड़का कुछ नहीं कर. अब लड़की अच्छी है अब सब लड़का में कुछ मजा नहीं है, लड़की में देगा. वही बात है, गलत ना है.
okay, so now in frame we would like to call my best friend.
Hello.
Hello.
Happy Women's Day.
अच्छा, So, since it's Women's Day, I would like to ask you a few questions. Okay. What is one thing you appreciate about women?
I would like to answer in Hindi because I would be able to express my feelings properly. I feel women's face क्यों इंग्लिश आ रही है भाई मेरे मुंह से आई फील कि वुमेंस की सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ ये होती है कि वो खुद अपने आप में एक स्ट्रेंथ है, क्योंकि वो लोग इस दुनिया में हर एक चीज़ ऐसी कर सकते हैं जो कोई नहीं कर सकता, कोई भी नहीं. तो आई फील वो ही बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है उन लोग के लिए. एंड आई एम सो प्राउड कि मैं भी एक वुमेन ही हूँ. सो येस.
So, another one would be, what would you advise to the younger girls?
आई वुड जस्ट गिव यू वन एडवाइस जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि प्यार व्यार को साइड में रखो एंड प्लीज़ 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 फोकस ऑन योर करियर. डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम इन बॉयज़. यू विल गेट द परफेक्ट वन व्हेन इट इज़ द राइट टाइम. अभी फ़िलहाल पैसे कमाने के पीछे ध्यान दो और अपने आप पे ध्यान दो.
Yes. So the next one I would like to ask you is, what is one thing society should change for women?
I think first of all change the restrictions, which is very 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 important, because आजकल की लड़कियों में इतना टैलेंट है, इतना ज़्यादा टैलेंट है, बट कहीं ना कहीं बिकॉज ऑफ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस वो लोग वो चीज़ नहीं कर पाते हैं. वो लोग का जो टैलेंट है वो दब जाता है रिस्ट्रिक्शंस के अंदर. सो आई वुड जस्ट से टू द पेरेंट्स, प्लीज़ सपोर्ट योर डॉटर, बिकॉज अगर आप सपोर्ट करोगे तो आपके सपोर्ट से वो बहुत कुछ कर सकती है. डू नॉट लिसन टू द सोसाइटी, बिकॉज नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू कम एंड हेल्प योर डॉटर व्हेन शी इज़ इन एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. तो आपको ही करना है जो भी है. सो प्लीज़ सपोर्ट योर डॉटर्स, प्लीज़.
Okay, so now I would like to ask you one last question, and that would be one word that describes women. I've asked this to everyone. So what
Okay.
would that be?
I think one word for woman would be rebel, because every woman is rebel in her own way and she knows to fight her own battle. I would also like to ask you one thing. Just give an advice to all the young girls, just like I did. I want to hear it from your mouth.
Oh, okay. This is the first question someone is asking me. I have been asking everyone. So, to younger generation, I would just say one thing, is that no father, no brother, no guy, you shouldn't be dependent on any one of them. It should be you and your world. I get chills when I say that, because you do not know who's gonna be with you till when, who's gonna leave your side कब तक. तो मतलब I have experienced a lot in my life. So on that basis you have to do it for yourself. मतलब कोई नहीं करेगा आपके लिए, आपको ही करना है. That's the only thing I would like to say.
Very nice thought, guys. Apply it.
And with that, India won the T20 championship. So we got ready, and as a ritual, we went to Marine Drive to celebrate. You can see the massive crowd out here. Entire Bombay was at Marine Drive celebrating. Okay, so that's it from my end, and it was so much fun talking to the women in the family. You know, they have come on the camera for the very first time, and they have expressed in a very beautiful way. Also, no offense to the men, they are so great at what they do, be it with the family, out in the open. They are very true to their self. We are blessed to have each one of you in our life, be it our father, be it our brothers, be it our uncle. Every one of you mean the world to us. Even we couldn't do anything without you, honestly. So that's it from my end. See you in the next vlog. And a big thank you for sparing some time and watching.